Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvee and for today I thought of filming like a travel makeup look because currently I'm traveling in Udaipur right now and I have my makeup over here. Yes, that's my makeup bag. It's a lot, but I cannot compromise on my makeup. So I was like, you know what, let's just film a video and show you what all I wear on my eyes. Here we go, let's get started with the makeup, travel makeup. So firstly, I very much prep my skin with some good skincare. As you can see, my skin looks pretty much hydrated. The reason for that is this thing. So I've been loving the Nykaa Skin Potion Essential Oils, you know, the skin oils. So I've been using this on my base with my Belief Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. The reason why I love these serums more than any gel based serums is because it, as you can see, like my base has never looked any good when I film. Wow, when I wear makeup over any other kind of serum, I've seen the difference. Like the difference is unreal. That's why I've been wearing that a lot lately. So but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go in with the SPF and a little bit of, what is this, primer. I'm forgetting things also because I'm hungry. So this is the Big Belief UV Protector SPF 50 plus, so I'm gonna use that. Then we have the Wet n Wild face primer. Yeah, that one. I've been using this one for a long time. Glitteriness, I'm not sure. Now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation and the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. Oh my god, by the way, this is the best duo ever. But the lady who gave me this concealer, she swatched something else on my hand. I said her to give me that, but then she gave me something which is so different in color. Like, let me show you the shade if you can see from here. Like, look at this. This is kind of my skin tone, like very close, and this is what she gave me, like 2 times darker. And I'm like, and when I came home and I saw, and I was like, oh shit. Anyways, now what I like to do is, because this concealer is darker in color, I do not really like to use it afterwards. What I do is I apply it just like this. It kind of acts like a color corrector, but I really love the formula of this one more than the Makeup Revolution one, because that one I feel like is a bit thick for my skin, but this one, like, I feel is the perfect consistency. Once that is done, I go in with a foundation. Now I don't like to take much of it. What I do is just go and pump little bit. I'm gonna dot it all over my face, the foundation, and then taking a beauty blender, I'm gonna just puff it in. Everything just can you see the base? Like, actually it looks great. Like, my skin up close, if you see, it isn't flaking off, it isn't dry, it's just sat very properly. I think that is because of the oil which I'm using, and that's one of the reasons why I prefer using oils. Then I have the Fit Me loose powder. I take very little amount of it. Wait, I cannot really see in the mirror, so I have to take this. On this brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of it and then tap it, and then it becomes like smooth. I don't know if you can see the difference over here. Matte, glossy, matte. I mean, you can do that too, but I mean, I like to set my face with powder, otherwise I look like a sweaty mess. So for eyeshadow palette ना मैं जेम्स चार्ल्स का palette लेके आने वाली थी, but then the thing is वो इतना बड़ा है, plus I mean it's the best. Like I have the mini palette, basically, so it was supposed to fit in this, but वो fit नहीं हो रहा था. And then my heart got broken because that is my favorite palette right now, because obviously hello, and the shades are incredible, but नहीं ले पाई मैं वो मेरे साथ. So I brought the pack one. This is also a great one. कल मैंने I think ये ऑरेंज नहीं पर्पल लुक किया था, आज मैं ऑरेंज कर रही हूँ. पहले मैं ये शेड लूँगी, उसको थोड़ा क्रीज में बफ करके, then I'm gonna go in with the orange one. So अभी मैं ये वाला ऑरेंज शेड लेके क्रीज में लगाऊंगी. I think I'm gonna use a mixture of both because that looks very pretty. So और ये बहुत पिगमेंटेड आई शेडो पैलेट है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Wow. Done. Now I'm thinking to use ये shimmer shade. बहुत मस्त है, but then I don't know. Eagle. खून कर रहा था उसका. ये highlighter palette kind of है. I'm thinking just to keep it matte right now because I just prefer it that way. Before that, I have this plum pencil. Where is my beauty blender? I am going to, sorry, but do this. It's like just close your eyes and just do that. थोड़ा अपर लैश लाइन को भी ब्लैक हो जाएगा. विंग क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. And again taking this shade and just इसको मैं थोड़ा स्मच कर रही हूँ क्योंकि वैसे अच्छा दिखता है. Eyebrows तो मैं कर नहीं रही क्योंकि I like how they are, so I just do this. Finally, let's move on to highlighter. This one I'm gonna just swirl it and then apply. इससे थोड़ा blush plus highlight feel आता है, which is what I like. For my inner corner, what I'm thinking, taking this brush और ये वाला जो shade है या फिर ये वाला, I'm just gonna apply it. So this is in the shade Your Latte and Let It Snooze. दोनों को mix करके I'm gonna use it. So basically this is how they look. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Look at that. This one. This is my favorite shade, which is called Let It Snooze. Lastly, setting spray. This isn't working too great. उसका स्प्रे इतना अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है. मेरे को लास्ट में जब ये सेटिंग स्प्रे लगाती हूँ, एक ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से लास्ट dab I do it so it looks glowing. And that's that. So that was it. That was my travel makeup look. This is how it looks. Natural, cute. I like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. I'm posting a lot of videos on my skincare, what's in my skincare, travel, makeup, bag in Udaipur. I was gonna say Jaipur. I am in Udaipur. Udaipur vlogs also coming soon. So make sure you check that out. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.